Hello everybody, my name is Cosimo and I love to crochet, and today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the double crochet. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so double crochets are some of the tallest stitches in crochet. They are similar to a half double crochet, but instead of a half double crochet, they're double in the sense you don't stop, you keep on going. So I'll show you how to do it. So how you do it, double crochet, is you yarn over like that. You put the crochet hook into this next stitch like that. Then you yarn over and you pull through that stitch. So now you have 3 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through just those first 2 loops like that. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops like that. See? So you make a double crochet doing like that. Now double crochets, the issue with them is that the bigger you make your stitches, see, the more holes you make. So since they're so tall, they can't be as tightly packed. So you can use, I would suggest if you want to use it and you want something to be very like filled and not have as many holes, what I would suggest you do is you use a smaller stitch. Yes, it'll take longer, but the holes will be all gone. But still, this is a nice stitch if you need it to, I don't know, make something taller, faster, if you don't want to do as much work, maybe a scarf. Anyways, let's do it a few more times. So let's see if you know your stuff. So again, you yarn over, and you put the crochet hook into the next stitch. Then you yarn over, and you pull through the stitch. Then you yarn over, and pull through just 2 of those loops. And then you yarn over, and you pull through 2. Okay, so that's how you finish it off. Let's do it again. So, yarn over, put the crochet hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through that stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through just 2 of those loops. So now you have 2 more loops left on the hook. Then you yarn over and you pull through the last 2, like that. Let's do it one more time before we say goodbye. Yarn over. Put the crochet hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through the stitch. Then you yarn over and you pull through 2 of those loops, like that. And then you yarn over and you pull through those last 2 loops. So yeah, that's how to do double crochet. It's a very cool stitch. I'll see you at the end now. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, I have a little squid, and it'll be his hat, or it could be a nice blanket. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, double crochets are just very tall stitches that are just really, really cool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and maybe comment, tell me if you thought it was helpful. I'm gonna do many more of these stitches videos. Subscribe and go check out my playlist, it's right here. Bye!